What up, FBF squad? Welcome back. If you are new, hold up. Hold on. I said, hold on. I'm gonna let y'all in. But before y'all can come up in here, I'm gonna need y'all to do something for me real quick. I need you to go down there and like, leave a comment, share with somebody, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you be notified each and every single time I upload another video. Y'all, it ain't gonna be too much talking today. It ain't gonna be too much talking today. It ain't gonna be too much talking today. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all, we're gonna say our prayers. We're gonna get into this food. Amen. We also got us a little drinky drink on the side. And some H2O. Y'all, we not gonna waste no time. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? Don't this little bomb. I'm about to find out for y'all. I'm about to surely find out for y'all. Yes, indeedy. But before I find out, let me give y'all some. Get you some. Yeah. That's it right there. Hold on, y'all. We situated. Oh my goodness. Yes, Lord. Y'all are so good. Come on here. It's perfect. Just perfect. Uh-oh. What y'all eating today? Y'all, this been on my mind for the past couple of days. That's because I wasn't feeling so well. So, couldn't do it yesterday. So here I am today. And you guys are gonna get this today. By all means. I think y'all understand. I really don't. Let me get y'all one here. Yeah, I sound like I'm straight from the South, don't I? But they say that Chicagoans have like a Southern kind of accent, so I don't know. Y'all better get it before I do. Up, up, up. Uh-huh. And you're moving too slow. Can't be moving too slow. And try it again. Forget it. Yes, yes, all of that. Uh-huh. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep y'all for too long. Finish this little bit right here, a little half. Save a little bit later, for later. Let me get up out y'all way. Mm. Mm, mm. Man. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video. It was almost a struggle getting this video situated because my appetite was acting real funny yesterday. But I got it back today. But it was just like a whole bunch of other. So I may do. Hope that you guys have truly enjoyed this video as much as I have. It was good, and I'm only doing half because I don't want to do too much. You know, you be regretting it. You sit up here and you see it all in your face and you want to eat it because it's there, but later on, we got to be concerned about later on, okay? So I'm about to get up out your way. I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. I will catch you guys in the next video. Like I said, welcome to all of the new subscribers. I truly appreciate you guys. It's like growing. I'm seeing growth. It's just the best feeling in the entire world. And I truly, truly appreciate you. Just leave some comments so I know that y'all here, okay? We get into some things. I be wanting to know like what y'all want to see me eating on and all that stuff. I know this is later on in the video. That's why I'm trying to make these videos more, you know, straight to the point. Get to it and get out, okay? But I'm gonna catch y'all guys in the next video. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment, share with somebody, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified each and every single time I upload. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.